The 15th topic is a simple topic. It is to find the intercepts. Here we have a scenario. At the beginning of the week, Aksa's parents deposited $20 in Aksa's lunch account. The amount of money Aksa had left after each day is shown in the table over here, where X is the number of days and Y is the remaining balance. So days X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whereas this is the amount of money that is being reduced. What are the X and Y intercepts and what do the X and Y intercept represent? First, let's draw a graph and understand. Now imagine this is reducing. You can see the money is reducing, so something like this. Now it's 0, it was 20, so the graph is something like this. Okay, it just keeps on going. What can you understand from here? Y, X. Take a minute and think what is X intercept and Y intercept. I hope you have thought about it. You can pause the video and think. It has to do something. These two values has to do something with the X and the Y. But what exactly does it have to do? If you look closely, intercept, Y-intercept on the Y-axis wherever the graph touches it. X-intercept is on the X-axis wherever the graph touches it. Intercepts means touch point, touching. So remember, intersection, something like this, right? Two roads meeting, where it touches. Same way, intercept. Y-intercept is where the graph touches the Y-axis, and where graph touches the X-axis is the X-intercept. Okay, that is fine, but how do we find it? Here they have not mentioned a graph. Okay, now you don't want to draw a graph. How will you directly find it? Now look over here. This is 0, isn't it? Y-intercept will be some value. See over here it is 20. At X is equal to 0. So to find Y-intercept is always when X will be equal to 0. Same way, where is X-intercept? It will be some value of X. It is 5. Over here, this is 5. X value is 5. When Y value is 0, what is the Y value over here? Y value is 0. When Y is equal to 0. It is very easy to remember. Intercept will be whenever the opposite axis, when the x-axis is 0, and x-intercept is when the opposite axis y is 0. That is it. So now over here, all you need to do is, whenever this is x and y, right? When x is 0, this value is y-intercept. And when y is 0, this is x-intercept. So that's it. You can just quickly write the answer. X-intercept, the table of x coordinate when y is 0 is the x-intercept. When y is 0, it's over here. When y is 0, it is 5. That is the x-intercept. In the table, when x is 0, that is the y-intercept. That is 20. And what is it? X-intercept represents the number of days until Aksa will run out of money. Now, X-intercept means Y is 0, right? Here, you can understand this is the day she will be running out of the lunch money. So, Y-intercept is basically at the beginning of the week when she had full money. That's the thing. So these are the intercept values. X-intercept over here is X-intercept is 5 when y is 0 and y-intercept is 20. Same thing over here. You can easily do this now. You don't even need to read all this golf and everything. Just see time. There, okay, it's very important to see what is x-axis. X seconds. X, this is time, and y is height. So x-intercept will be when y is 0. This is the x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept. And y-intercept is when x is 0, that is y-intercept 3. So the answer will be over here. X-intercept is, where is x-intercept? Is 7 and y-intercept is 3. And it's the same thing. It's, what is this about? It's about time and height. You can tell x-intercept represents the number of seconds for the ball to hit the ground. X-intercept, right? Over here, Now it's the height. It goes like this and it falls down. When the height is 0, that is the x-intercept. Whereas y-intercept is the um, represents the height of the ball in inches at the beginning. That is the start of the ball. So when it starts. So that's it. Over your main thing is understanding what is x and the y-intercept. That's it. It's just two topics. And in the next topic, in the next section, we will move to the topic number 16.